What's it like? What's it like to be dead, motherfucker?
I think we're leaving the kisses, eh?
No!
Daddy, I've been watching you. I see everything you do. I'm gonna get to you some way, somehow.